Hi everyone, in this video we will gonna look about the Iterator DAX function in the Power BI. In the last video we had seen some aggregation function, that is a different one. The Iterator function goes rows by rows and calculate the expression. In this table, in this Walmart retail data, we have a sales column and a unit price column, and we want to find out the total net profit. We can find out using the SUMX function instead of normal sum. We will name it as total net profit. Total net profit. We will use a SUMX function. The first argument, it's a table, and the table is a Walmart retail data. And the second one is expression. The expression is sales minus unit price. Sales minus unit price. And apart from this, there is also other function, that is an AVERAGEX. The AVERAGEX function also goes rows by rows and gives us the average. In the same table, we want to find out the average sales value, and the two columns that we need, it's quantity, the quantity column, order quantity column, and the unit price column, that is here. Again we will click on the new measure. We will name it as average sales value. And the DAX is AVERAGEX. The first argument, it is a table, and the expression would be quantity, order quantity, into unit price. We have calculated the two aggregations using the iterator function. Now we will see the visualization of it. We will click on the card visualization. I am copying it twice because we have two expressions. The first one is total net profit. So we have a total net profit of 14.17 million in the average sales value. It is 1.85k. So that's it for today's video. If this video is really helpful for you, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.